In this video, I'm going to show you how to find companies that need cleaning services. For this purpose, we'll use two automation tools. Find the links in the video description. As an example, we will be exporting gyms looking for cleaning services. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel. And if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. Part 1. Google Maps. To find clients for your cleaning services, make a list of companies that have their physical offices listed on Google Maps. For example, gyms. To quickly export these businesses to Excel, use the Google Maps scraper. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Open the Google Maps scrapers page. Click on the green button to start the bot. Enter your keyword with location. For example, gym in Hornsby. Select how many search results you need to extract. For example, 200. Specify your location. For example, Hornsby. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted physical offices to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported a list of gyms that have their physical offices listed on Google Maps. Use the extracted phone numbers to contact these companies and offer them your cleaning services. Part 2. Radius search. To find clients for your cleaning services within a certain radius from your office, use the Google Maps by Radius Finder. Enter your keyword. For example, gym. Set the radius in meters. For example, 500 meters. Pick the central location of your search. For example, your cleaning company. Launch the bot into action. Done. We've exported a list of physical offices with their coordinates. All of them need cleaners and are located within 500 meters from your office. Monitor new physical offices appearing in your target district. For this purpose, tick the checkboxes. Run this bot periodically and deliver new items only. The bot will send you notifications whenever a new physical office that needs cleaning services is opened near you. Sign up on Botster, find tons of businesses that need cleaning services, and get access to dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.